Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll talk about a meme coin that is the Shiba Inu coin, which is represented as SHIB. There is approximately you 37 trillion dollar in circulation. This coin, this is the more than the world's economy. This includes all the physical money and the money deposited in savings and checking accounts. Shiva had all around 1 quadrillion coins in circulation due to token burning, destroying coin. Token burning is a kind of like destroying the coins which are more than in circulation. So 500 trillion coins still left. So if we talk about the world's total money, the world's total money is 1.2 quadrillion dollars, and total money in the crypto world till now is around roughly 1.5 billion dollar trillion dollar, sorry. So for Shiba to reach 1 cent aka 0.01 dollar per coin, it needs to accumulate market capital of 5 trillion dollar. That is a 5 times of total money in the crypto world. So Shiba has like Dogecoin is also a meme coin. Shiba is also a meme coin. So but there is a like supply which is very large. So Shiba has no utility except hype like Dogecoin. Like if someone can pump, like big whales can pump the coin, then only it will reach. Then also it can reach up to 1 rupee. So we also know that it's just a meme coin available in the market. So this is just purposeless. Yes, it's very true that it's early investors got huge profit, like when it is really available in 0.00 at that time. Like people say in 2020, January 2020, if you have invested around like $1,000, then you would have, I don't know, like you have gained in crores money. So don't you think that it's a possibility of Earth getting hit by a string is more than the Shiva hitting 1 cent? It's highly impossible, but it is up to certain limit. It's possible. So, but Shiva can hit 1 rupee if they burn huge amount of Shiva tokens. If they decrease the total Shiva circulation, so it can reach up to 1 rupee, but they need to burn a huge amount of Shiva tokens, then only it can reach. Also, if we talk like when it will reach up to 1 rupee, so roughly we can say like from my perspective before 2025 it will reach up to 1 rupee. So because it's going in right direction, as today you can see it's 0.003737 INR by today's date. Okay, so it's going in the right direction with right strategy. Something big's going to happen. Like in crypto world there is no uncertainty, like anything can happen. It's peer to peer, but it is listing in the new big exchanges, and people are buying the coins, and also massive coin burning is also expected. If people burn enough coin, then also it can reach. But theoretically it is possible that it will reach, but practically with the supply of the coins available, it is highly unlikely that it will reach up to 1 rupee. And also if you talk about like how many people invest in crypto world, so less than 90 million people, less than 1.5% of the total population on this planet own crypto. The first world countries have the lowest accept adoption rate these days, while countries like Nigeria and Venezuela is literally adding crypto users by the millions. Close to 20% of the people each nation now owns crypto. This world has over 20 times the amount of users that crypto has access. So it can up to reach 1. So just keep investing. It's never too late to just start early and just buy and hold. That's the whole motto. But you need to take care of your money, because you never know what will happen in the crypto world. Thank you everyone. Just like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Keep subscribe so that if you will get the latest updates, whatever it come in the upcoming days. Thank you.